Alright guys, you want to see some places here in my province? Let's go guys! What's up guys? Welcome again to my vlog. My name is Jason Lapinid Pabroa. My YouTube channel, World Travelers. Right now guys, I'm gonna show you some places over there. I heard so many birds are here. Na ay daghang mangga?
Kanang ubos ng mangga kanang karong nga orasa na nadana boss
Daghang langgam?
langgam ang kanang pati ug di kurukon ana kanang mga sayra gyud kan makantiha wa madaro ba
Anhaon na ko ron.
kini sayra kang manghini ba to
Oh.
karong dam pagkaka lagay.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see.
I hide this area because there's a lot of bird over there. So if I will stand, bird will fly. There's a lot of bird. There's a puppy. Bird are. See, as you can see, there's a lot of bird. White. They're flying. Oh. Oh. They're flying. Ooh.
Down the ground, dust shadows make no sound. A game of hide and seek. Where do I go from here? Walls are torn and down. Should stay but won't run. Sound blend in a dream. You whisper in my ear.
Look this area guys, it has a lot of coconut trees. And that area, it has a lot of trees, different types of trees.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight. Look away so you won't see, cause the pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides if you feel my mind.
What's up guys, I'm so happy I'm here now in province. Definitely I will be staying until the whole of my life. Guys, I hope you like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to watch new video, hit the button below. See you for the next one.